Question number 6A. Examine how Chabahar port development can lead to regional development in South Asia and Central Asian region. Are you all with me? Question number 6A. How Chabahar port development can lead to regional development in South Asia and Central Asian region. Now, see, this type of questions, current affair based hai. I'm sure you know the facts where Chabahar port is. You have got Dharanj, Dilaram. I think you know those places जहाँ से आपका लिंक है. काफी डिबेट में आ चुका है because apparently Iran has now cancelled or at least it has stalled India's work there. Okay, are you aware of this latest development? Yes, Dharanj, Dilaram and Zehadan. ठीक है. So even if this is not asked, now see when we ask you, okay, a regional development, what are, देखो एक तो है, what are the principles of regional development? Yeah, Chinese body, ठीक है. Now see, let's get back to, एक तो है, what are the principle of regional development? That is one discussion. The second is, what are the advantages of regional development? And third is, what are the factors that help development of a region? ये तीन अलग point हैं. One is, what are the principles of regional development? The principle includes horizontal unity, lot of varied aspects must come together, vertical unity, at different scales we should be unifying, okay? Principle of public participation, local people should participate, principle of time-space continuum, what's relevant today should also be relevant in the future and for that region, principle of financial viability, there is principle of environmental sustainability. I hope you know these points, all of you. ये पता है points आपको? लिख लो, अगर नहीं पता है तो लिख लो. It's there in your Indian geography, खुल्लर में है वो topic. Okay, horizontal unity, vertical unity, environmental sustainability, public participation, financial viability, time-space continuum. Okay, time-space. It basically means that whatever development we do should be relevant to different generations and should also be relevant to the entire region. ऐसा ना हो कि एक region के एक ही part में development हो रहा है, दूसरे part में नहीं हो रहा है. The space continuum होना चाहिए. And time continuum. Today's development should also mean tomorrow's development, should also mean day after tomorrow's development. In development, the past element should also be considered. That's the meaning of time-space continuum. And development should be comprehensive, yes. Comprehensive का मतलब है all people, okay, should include education, health, economy, everything. So it should be comprehensive. ठीक है? Yeah, inclusive is part of your public participation. Inclusive. ये पता है आपको. Now, what are the important objectives? ये आपके principles में आ गया. Then I'm saying that what are the elements important in regional development? What are the elements, okay, important in regional development? In a regional development, very important elements is there should be trade. Okay, अगर trade नहीं हो रहा है, okay, basic activities with non-basic activities, okay, export import नहीं हो रहा है, region का development मुश्किल है. There should be some kind of trade, and for trade there must be gateways. A place like ports होना चाहिए, airport होना चाहिए. There is some kind of a major transport hub. So for trade we need transport. That's a very important element of requirement of regional development. It's very important that the region should also be cohesive. It should be cohesive. Cohesive, ताकि conflicts कम हो. And cohesiveness generally is an element of both political aspect and also an element of cultural aspects. There should be some kind of okay, ethnic, racial or cultural identity that keeps the region okay, internally cohesive. ये बहुत important part of regional development है. Yes. So you can add social capital here. The second very important aspect of regional development is that the region should also try to address problems related to disasters. Okay. हर रीजन का कुछ ना कुछ डिजास्टर वल्नरेबिलिटी है. Okay. There is some vulnerability, floods ho, droughts ho, they should be able to, and in today's time, even the economic disasters are part of the problem. Okay? They should be able to manage disasters. Then another very important aspect is, for a regional development, there should be, okay, there should, yes, accessibility पहला वाला point आ गया. Trade होना चाहिए with a gateway, okay, which is roads, transport, ports. बता दिया मैंने, accessibility प्रवीण, वो हो गया. Accessibility, internal cohesiveness. There must be some kind of disaster management or disaster solutions also. Okay, it must also have, okay, the ability to deal with, okay, जो हम बोलते हैं resilience है, to deal with, okay, downturns, economic हो, whatever. This is a part of your disaster management more or less. और एक term बोलते हैं that the region should also have complementarity. अगर complementarity होगा, you can always be able to support one another. If there is too much of competition within the system, the region cannot develop. It needs complementarity. Okay? So now come back here. ये concepts हैं आपके. ये concepts हैं. Now come back here. Is asking us, how does Chabahar Port lead to regional development in South Asia and Central Asian region? Okay. Now tell us, when I say Chabahar Port का मतलब है three things. Chabahar Port is an important transport gateway. Chabahar Port also means roadways and railways. And Chabahar Port is also a type of, okay, link of South Asia with Middle East and with Central Asia. ये तीन aspect. It itself is a port, plus the entire network of railways and roadways, plus there's a kind of a trade economic linkage of South Asia, okay, Iran and Central Asia. Okay? Now what does Chabahar Port do? Chabahar Port, 5 things it can do. Number 1, Chabahar Port can leverage the complementarity of the 3 regions, South Asia, Central Asia and Middle East. Why do we see complementarity? Because these 3 regions have different set of advantages. Okay, South Asia is textile. South Asia is agriculture. Okay, South Asia has the advantage of labor arbitrage. South Asia. Iran, okay, it has the advantage of oil. Iran, okay, its own cultural products. And Central Asia, maybe oil hai, fertilizers hai, uranium hai. So these 3 areas are dealing with 3 different type of products. There can be complementarity, and Chabahar Port, along with the link, talking about Dilaram and Zaranj, okay, it is able to give us that link. So it accentuates, leverages the complementarity. That is one. Okay. Number 2, Chabahar Port is a very important gateway for Central Asia. Gateway for Central Asia, and a very important way of accessing, Central Asia for South Asia. Okay, remember trade wala point is a point where we can access. Okay, जब भी trade हो पाए, so complementarity is one. Second is that. Third aspect, the Chabahar Port is a very important instrument. Yes, complementarity, agriculture, cereal, fruits, nuts, go on there. Yes, India ka textile, agriculture, crops. Yes. The third thing is the Chabahar Port is also an element in the cultural and the ethnic interaction because there are commonalities. Okay, Afghanistan, okay, culture, Iranian Persian culture. There are commonalities in religion. There are commonalities in racial stock. Okay, along with India, which also has a sizable, okay, cultural relationship. And here you can refer to the past Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization may be Iran, okay, Badakhshan, Iran, Persia, and Harappa. They have known to trade with one another. There is some kind of a cultural continuity, okay, which Chabahar port can establish. And the fourth thing is, yes, okay, Chabahar port also helps in bypassing, yes, sort of correct. Chabahar port helps in bypassing the conflict region of Pakistan and Baluchistan, the conflict region of Afghanistan bordering Pakistan. Because South Asia mein, Pakistan is the most important distraction for any economic development. Okay. Plus, even China also is a very important basis of distraction. Okay, so this is the geography. So एक sentence लिखेंगे आप, the Chabahar port is a very important way of countering the locational disadvantage of India, countering the locational disadvantage of India because of its shared borders with Pakistan and China. Chabahar port is a very important, okay, alternative to bypass the locational disadvantage of China, of India, as it borders India and borders Pakistan and China. We can bypass that, okay, and integrate with the Middle East and Central Asia, and integrate with Middle East and Central Asia. ठीक है, so I repeat, चाबहार पोर्ट का क्या एडवांटेज है? I repeat, one is Chabahar port. Chabahar port is like a gateway for the landlocked region of Central Asia. Like it helps Afghanistan, Central Asia to access Indian Ocean. It's like a gateway for that. One. Okay. Number two, the complementarity is established through Chabahar port. Okay. Chabahar port also gives the basis of, okay, the cultural and ethnic integration. Cultural and ethnic integration. Okay. The fourth one, it bypasses the locational disadvantage of India bordering Pakistan and China. उसके बाद कह देना, the Chabahar port has, because of its trade center, because of its ports, it now becomes a break of bulk center, it becomes a growth pole. फिर तो आप always add कर सकते हो how India, Iran, Central Asia can also become a counter to OBOR. ऐसे अगर आपने चार पांच के डिस्कशन कर लिया ना, आपका दिमाग फिर खुलना शुरू हो जाएगा. That's why I gave the concept first. कि what is required in regional development. We need that homogeneity, we need gateways, we need complementarity. और ये भी ऐड कर सकते हो that Chabahar port, because of investments of India, Iran, there can be collaboration in India, okay, by Iran, okay, by India, of Iran in India. You can talk about that. हो गया ये. और देखो, यही वाला कंसेप्ट आप हर जगह डाल सकते हो. उसके बाद जो डालना है डालना. To bring a bit more of geography, you can also add that this reaffirms the significance of Indian Ocean, okay, and its growing importance. It reaffirms the significance of India and Iran as a part of the rimland country. Rimland angle le aana. It reaffirms that idea. Okay. Have a look at that, please. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you for joining. Bye.